Hey everyone, so it is middle of August here in Central Texas. So that means it's a perfect time for us to get started planting our pindo or jelly palm seeds. What you're looking at there is just one of our latest hauls from this weekend. So this is a bunch of seeds that we've collected from some of our local jelly palms, pindo palms or Foolproof odorata palms that I have not cleaned yet. And behind it are seeds that I have cleaned. So the process, I've shared some previous videos on what my cleaning process looks like. Basically it involves soaking the seeds, cleaning all that fruit and pulp off of them, and getting them prepped and ready for germination. I want to show everybody the process I use, which is pretty foolproof because there have been lots of questions online about this. I've shared some previous videos, but one of the key things about this germinating successfully these Foolproof odorata or jelly palms seeds is they like a lot of heat and they like moisture. So what I do is pretty simple. I will do them, I actually get sphagnum moss. It's a great substrate for us to use, and I use the baggy method. So I've already sort of prepped some of it. You can see what I do is I bring this, sorry about the wind here a little bit, but I'll bring this sphagnum moss, I'll get it moist, nice and moist. I use these screens as a way to sort of protect a lot of this as I'm working on them, and also when I'm cleaning the seeds themselves. I would essentially get this nice and moist. As I said, they like a lot of water and heat. Combination of the two of those what makes these germinate. Also really important that you have fresh seeds. So always start with fresh seeds. These are ones that I've just harvested within the last month here in Central Texas. And then what I use is the bagging method. So I put that sphagnum moss into a gallon-sized bag and label it. So Foolproof odorata. Today's date is August 12th, 2022. So I got an idea of just about how long it takes and can anticipate when they're going to start seeing some germination. People ask what are the scissors for. I like to go in and actually cut up some of the sphagnum moss and just kind of get it, chopped up a little finer. Just my own personal preference. I find it a little easier to manage when I've got the seeds. And then essentially it's just a matter of grabbing some of these seeds. Now these have been pre-soaked during the cleaning process, and literally what I'll do is just drop those into the bag. So, and then a lot of just shaking it up and getting a good mix in there. Now what I'll probably do is I'll put all of those seeds in one bag. I'll mix all this sphagnum moss in there, and then set this out in a spot usually in my backyard. Not in direct sunlight, but somewhere where they will be able to get a lot of heat, a lot of moisture provided from the humidity of the bag, and that's really all it takes. I'll give you updates and post updates as we get through this process, but that is the simplest and easiest method for germinating the pindo or jelly palm seeds using the baggy method. Pretty much foolproof and guaranteed. If you're starting with fresh seeds and you follow these steps, you're going to be successful getting them to germinate. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.